In this video we are going to learn how to repilot light on a gas water heater. First thing, you need to make sure your main gas valve is on and there is no gas leak. Then the top switch you need to turn at pilot position where you can press it in and out, and a temperature set dial switch you need to bring it pilot lighting position. After all those things are done and ready, so we're gonna start pilot light. To do that one, so what you have to do, the top switch you have to press and hold, and you can start igniting. You can keep clicking until you see fire or pilot light, and keep hold this push button until like about 20-30 seconds, because thermocouple needs some time to get heat up, and then this valve will start controlling by itself. So now we're gonna focus on our pilot light and start process. So I'm gonna turn on pilot position and start clicking the igniter switch. So I'm clicking the igniter switch. I didn't see any fire yet. I'm keep clicking. Now you see there's a pilot light, and that button I'm still holding. The push button is on a down position right now. I will wait for like 20-30 seconds. I'm still holding. Now it's almost 20-30 seconds. I will let the button go and see if the pilot light is still on. So the button is, I let it go, the pilot light is still on. So now I'm gonna put the top switch on position and the dial switch on any other position, A, B, C, or whatever the water you need hot. So now burner is on. You can see there's a fire. That's the way you can turn on your pilot light. As you can see, there's a pilot light still on. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.